Welcome again to today's mini lesson in physics. Our topic for today falls under heat exchange. We're going to solve question under heat exchange. What that heat exchange means? Heat exchange simply means the transfer of temperature from a hot substance to a cold substance until both attain the same temperature. What we normally call it thermal equilibrium. Good. Let's go to the question. The hot water tap of a bath delivers water at 85 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature for the hot water, which is 85 degrees Celsius. So let's make it T1, 85 degrees Celsius at the rate of 8 kilogram per minute. So this is the rate at which the hot water was flowing. So the rate of hot water is 8 kilogram per minute. Then the cold water tap of the bath delivers water at 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature for the cold water. Let's make it T2. It is 30 degrees Celsius. And that one too was flowing at the rate of 20 kilogram per minute. So rate of cold water, which is 20 kilogram per minute. And both were flowing at the same time for what? 5 minutes. That is, if both taps are left on for 5 minutes, we should calculate the final temperature of the bath water. So here we are looking for the final temperature. So let's make it T3, which is unknown. So over here, the theory here is that heat lost by the hot water will be equal to heat gained by the cold water. So now, first you have to calculate the mass of the hot water and the mass of the cold water. So if we take the mass of hot water, let's indicate it with M hot. So the rate was what? 8 kilogram per minute. And it was flowing at what? 5 minutes. So times 5. So the minutes will cancel out. 5 times 8 will give us 40 kilograms. Let's go to mass of cold water. Let's make it M cold. The rate was 20 kilogram per minute. So 20 kilogram per minute. It was also flowing at the same 5 minutes. So times 5 minutes. Here to the minute will cancel out. 5 times 20 gives us 100 kilograms. So now, by the theory, heat lost by the hot water is equal to heat gained by the cold water. So heat lost by the hot water will be M hot T1 minus T3 equals M cold T3 minus T2. So the mass of hot water was what? 40. So 40 times T1. What was the T1? 85. Minus T3. Mass of cold water was 100. We don't know T3. T2 was 30. So 40 times 85 will give us 3,400 minus 40 T3. Then we get 100 T3 minus 3,000. So when you group the like terms, the negative 3,000, when it comes here, it becomes plus. When add to this, we're getting 6,400. When negative 40 goes here, it becomes plus 40. So we get 140 T3. So now our final temperature, which is T3, will be 6,400 all over 140. And 6,400 over 140 gives us 45.7. 45.7 degrees Celsius. 45.7 degrees Celsius. So this is the final temperature when you mix uh, 85 degrees Celsius of hot water to 30 degrees Celsius of cold water. When you mix them together, this will be our final temperature. So the heat lost by the hot water, which is 85, was gained by the cold water. So the final becomes what? 45.7 degrees Celsius. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, and like it if you're enjoying it. See you next time. Bye bye.